It's
What
always
cages at
scary.
the start?
Care for me, Steph.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Green strings. And so we can take reds.
And red strings.
And reds, yeah.
Okay.
Nice. Gauges are good, gauges are good.
Okay. Still hasn't FMA'd.
Actually doesn't.
He might FMA up here. Green and reds.
There, red.
Reds.
So me.
Yeah, dodge dog, take green and red.
I'm iframed right now.
Said no. You have origin.
Okay.
Okay, take reds. Just reds.
Okay.
Origin.
Setup is so long.
Yeah. We're good.
Unbound. Red strings when you guys can take one safely.
No, we can't take greens right now, but we can take reds.
Yeah.
Oh, no, we can't take either right now.
Red strings.
I need the last two.
Yeah, I'm leaving.
Try and get hit by this guy here.
Okay.
why am I
Greens.
combat?
A little bit of
we
green,
need
a little
greens
bit of
and
red.
reds.
Yeah.
We can take the reds on this side. We can't take the greens.
Of me.
For me. Mini burst and 25-ish.
Oh, can I get a redoor?
I already doored.
Thanks.
I don't know if you missed it.
No, I got it. Maybe you doored right when
We
I
need
said
green
it.
strings. We need green strings. This guy
That's
does
fine.
not.
Yeah, I
Combat
use
on
it for mini bursts, so.
Care dog.
Yeah,
I'm
we're
good
good.
to set up.
Yeah.
Okay, we can take a couple more
Yellow's
greens.
fine.
But
Okay, this is good.
Carry yellow.
Dodge reds. Don't get hit by red string.
Yep, we'll avoid.
Found it. Oh, just watch red strings. Don't take red strings.
Let's play in this. Oh no, he has to be in the.
You guys,
triangle.
we need to take green
We're
strings.
good.
We need to take green
Alright.
strings. We need to take green strings.
I'll take green first and I'll start bursting.
Let's take like
green
2
is
ticks total.
really hard to take right
Oh,
now.
we need red. We need red.
1,
Yeah.
2.
Oh my
Let's
god!
not
Don't
worry,
take
careful
reds.
with
Don't
reds.
take reds.
Be careful
no
with
more
We have
reds.
lots of greens.
Yeah, we're bursting.
It'll be test soon. I'm just gonna hit when I take greens.
Okay.
Okay. We're good. Gauges are good.
Good.
Burst and 30.
He'll
Yep.
fly, then he'll do test.
Mm-hmm.
Get this one up.
That was a
Nice.
short fly. He's gone?
Left side.
I got it.
Don't take green anymore.
10 seconds for burst.
Yep.
Origin?
We can set up.
Let's do that.
Does he have FMA though?
I don't
take
think
any
so.
reds. Tank dog a little bit.
Waiting.
Okay.
As soon as you activate.
Take greens
origin.
too.
Origin.
Just care for me.
Don't
Okay.
get hit by bird. Don't get hit by bird.
I'm gonna go take green with you over here.
We're bursting, so we can't get hit by tiger. Take greens if you can.
FMA.
FMA.
Oh, stop taking reds. Okay, we're fine.
That's good.
I'll go
We'll
red.
take another green or two, maybe. But, oh, we're good now. We're good now.
We're good.
I got it.
A few reds.
Careful.
Just a little bit.
Careful.
Yeah, couple reds.
This is good.
He's in 30. 35.
Okay. Prep for it.
Carricky has it. I think he
Yeah.
used it, right?
You might have FMA here. 20 seconds on mini.
Yeah.
Grab a red if you can.
FMA. Good shit.
10 seconds.
I'll join you and take in.
Reds.
Okay, we
Okay.
got a lot of
This is
reds.
okay. This is okay.
Okay. We
This is
just
good.
set up, right? I mean,
I'll go right.
Just don't get hit by bird. Just don't get hit by bird.
Yeah. You know,
And no more red strings. Dodge red strings.
I'm gonna take yellow. I can. I hit it.
This is good.
yeah,
Take some
watch
greens.
damage.
Take some greens.
We're gonna leave yellow high because we're gonna leave soon.
Tiger's prep.
Yeah.
As soon as you guys enter, don't hit.
Careful puddles.
Gauges are good. Gauges are good.
I'm gonna take a couple red.
Oh my god,
Ooh,
that's
no
too
more.
much red.
I got clipped up too.
Take
It's
green. on
okay. It's
your
okay.
side.
We're gone now.
Oh,
We're
FMA.
out.
FMA, FMA.
Okay.
Nice. Good dodge.
Are you guys good?
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, we're good.
Except oh, there's spikes here.
We can. Just go top. He's bot left.
Get hit by like portals
close is
or
dog?
puddles.
20, and we are
green.
bursting out this burst probably.
Okay.
Yeah.
TP.
Top right.
Where is he?
Top right. Top right.
Do we need an origin?
You can.
I'll just do it. Fuck it.
One
Yeah,
tag,
just do
like,
it.
1, 2. All right, now hop out.
Origin.
Corners. TP.
TP.
Top left.
Don't get hit by dog. Take
I'm
the
at
other
knife
two
range.
strings.
I can't be hit right now.
Oh, we gotta get
Green.
hit by.
We need
dog.
You take-
green.
Just
Yeah,
take
yeah.
Take
green.
some currents.
I can't. I might.
Oh
Dodge
god,
yellow
stop.
Dodge yellow strings. Get hit by
Dodge
puddles.
yellow. Get hit by red and get hit by tiger.
Nice. And red strings now.
Red strings.
He's
He's
Strings.
bottom right. FMA.
Watch
FMA.
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 Come right.
Take red strings. Take
Yep.
red strings.
Oh.
I'm gonna be far right. Good recovery. But we're not quite
There's
done.
a red string on this
Just
portal.
keep dodging, dog.
There's a double red
Yeah.
red string on this portal.
Reds. Okay, good.
Okay,
Oh,
good.
that was
Oh,
perfect.
good job, guys.
Nice.
All right, we need to chill. 0.6 care.
Maybe we should take a
It's fine, it's fine.
couple more reds. I don't know.
Come in.
Yeah.
Come in.
Maybe like 2.
Yeah,
We'll-
keep taking. Yeah, we have to keep taking reds again.
corners.
Yeah.
There's only a couple. Nice. TV. Top left. We need a
Yeah,
few
we're
reds.
almost out of dog.
Like 3.
Okay, we're
Let-
fine
let
then.
us know
Okay,
when
maybe
we
like
can-
two.
You
two
can come.
reds
You
now.
can come. Come down.
What's
Come
your
down.
burst?
How long on burst?
Forever,
We're
right?
red. Well,
Corners.
no. We're like
Corners?
1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah.
Everyone else is
Take
ready.
like 1 red string.
I will take the one red.
Okay, no one else take.
Will not
Okay, this is good. Top right.
Donkey's top.
Middle.
go back mid. Air pools. Just in case.
We're doing Jenny first, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, I don't have Jenny right now.
Yeah.
okay, we
let's
can
see.
wait.
Yeah, we can wait.
TP. Corners. Could
We're waiting also for your
when we
origin.
go
right?
in?
How
No,
long
we're not
The
waiting for his
alternative is
origin,
we origin
right?
first, right?
I have 50 seconds.
Middle.
on
Top
my-
top right.
On your
50
Jenny.
seconds? Wait, no.
Okay.
It's 50 on Jenny, right? Your origin's
Yeah,
still
yeah.
like 3 minutes.
We're not
I
waiting
think
for
we just
that.
wait 3 minutes. We don't? Okay.
I don't think we wait for that. Should we? I don't think we need it.
I
I
don't
don't
think
need
so.
to. I can be iframed in my burst.
Okay.
How
Dodge
long
strings
then?
right now.
Squeeze them? Question mark.
Yeah, how long?
I'm ready.
Okay, then
Anyone
Derek, are
not
you
ready?
ready?
If you're not ready, say a time.
We're going.
Okay, so we're ready.
Okay.
Dodge strings.
Dodge
Dodge
string.
strings. Can you door quickly? Just in case. Thank you.
Okay, so it's Jenny's first, origin second. I'll count the 10.
Okay. And I'll count to 5.
Buff up Jenny when the HP bar appears.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Origins.
Nice.
I was clean. Good job.
Nice work.
Nice job. Alright.
All right, stand to the left. Wait for Kaling to move, and we go right.
You guys should go left probably.
Stay left. Yeah,
That's
okay.
good.
One more.
That's
One more.
good.
Watch
Good
buttons.
job.
There's a button right next to us.
Oh my gosh.
I
Push.
got flung. Oh
You
no.
guys are sending in blue.
Okay, yeah.
Careful.
Up.
Careful, careful. We need.
Oh,
we need a one.
TP,
Go
TP,
bird.
TP.
I'm going bird.
Go to bird.
Yeah,
go to
we need a
bird.
little bit.
Yeah. So
I got tossed around a little bit.
take the strings in bird.
Don't
Take the
get.
strings in
Don't
bird.
don't step
Yep.
in tiger. Don't step in tiger.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no one be in tiger. If you're in bird, take strings.
TP
I need
TP.
someone else here too.
Okay, I'm in bird with you.
I think. Okay, I mean this is fine. This is fine.
Yeah,
Up.
this is.
You can go
Watch
back.
buttons
I'll
coming back.
take one more.
Watch
Calling
the
coming
link.
back.
Calling's on us.
It's fine. It's fine.
Okay, so
I'm
keep
going
moving.
back.
TP TP.
TP.
Up up up. Try to get out tiger. Nice.
Okay, this is good.
Up.
Up. Care for that green string.
Just watch your feet. We got this.
Up.
Bird.
TB?
Oh, telly.
Oh what? Shit.
Watch
Iron.
buttons on the way back.
Up.
Person 50. Up.
Fountain when you can.
Mm-hmm.
Get the green.
Thank you. TP
Don't-
TP.
TP.
Don't stand in, dog. Just
Up.
stand
Up.
where we're standing.
545. That's good.
Night Lord range is a little short. I'm still.
It's fine.
You're
We
fine,
don't
you're
need
fine.
DPS right now.
Up.
Yeah.
Up.
Not that important.
I'm still in dog though.
Yeah. I wasn't talking.
Versus in
about-
Person
20.
20. Person 20.
Yeah.
Up.
Up.
TP soon. Care.
Telly.
TPs.
TP.
Care coming back.
Use fountain.
Up.
Up.
I have Benny.
Okay, prep burst now.
Let's
First
start.
Sitting up.
TP TP. Nice.
Okay, origin bites.
I got it.
Up.
P. Okay, good. TP.
Up.
Okay, keep poking this until it dies, and then we'll swap.
TP.
Watch TP.
Telly.
Aw, I got clawed.
Okay.
Tiger is dead.
Button on
Up.
team. Button on team. Okay, stay
Button's
here
gone.
until Carrie takes boss over. Don't go.
Careful
Don't
button.
go.
Careful button. If you have it.
Don't go too many into right. Okay, we can go
410
left.
blue. 410 blue.
Up.
Or
I'm gonna hang out in red for
Yeah.
just.
it's
Yeah,
okay.
we're good.
530
Watch
is
button.
good.
Care the
Watch
button.
button.
Nice.
Do we have a fountain?
Up.
Up.
Yeah, I need to wait for the cooldown. It's on the right
Okay.
side.
Okay. It's
Yep.
okay.
TP. Nice.
Care Calling's close. Her slam can maybe hit us from there.
My bait is not
Up,
here
up,
right
up,
now.
up.
I can't bait her.
It's.
Okay.
Care Kaling.
Keep jumping.
I'll
TP,
try and bring
TP.
it over.
I hit my
Go back right
NPC
here.
chat.
We're okay.
Okay, move left. Move
Up.
left.
Nice.
Okay, go left.
Care button. Care button
Nice,
on your
good
way.
Mhm.
TP
Like
TP.
up.
Me?
Nice. Oh wait.
I
she's
didn't
back
hit my.
here.
I don't know who it's on.
Up.
Who's she?
My NPC chat is down
Oh,
right
she's
now.
on me. She's
Okay.
on
My
me.
NPC chat is down right now. I can't do anything about it.
I'll stay on the
It's
right.
almost here.
Up.
Buttons or teleports.
Again.
Back in position.
My NPC chat.
Yeah, you got her.
We just chill.
Okay.
Up.
There's a button very close to us.
500
person
on
40.
blue. That's good.
Yeah, we're at exact 500.
Up. TP, TP.
Watch TPs. Watch that button.
Your button.
Yep. It may have gotten activated.
Just look over your
Did you
head.
get
Yeah.
knocked?
Up.
Stay in
Yeah.
target for a little bit, Jimmy.
610.
I'll chill over here.
Up.
Okay.
I'm
Out of
button.
Tiger. So the
20-ish?
person coming from Tiger has a button.
Two.
I have a button. It's me.
Up.
We're bursting in 20-ish?
Up
Up
again.
again.
Burst is already.
Burst ready?
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah,
dropping
so you
Ben.
can burst
Is
now.
everybody good? Okay.
Yeah.
Up.
Anyone have
Origin
again.
binds. Origin binds.
Yeah, this is the whole party's origin. Watch that button just to our left.
Up.
Up.
Oh, I got tellied.
Dead soon.
Dead.
Okay, good
Nice.
job, guys.
Okay, turn
Okay,
around and just
full
start poking.
positions here.
This,
No.
this damage is
Same
not
spot,
very
same spot.
important.
Up.
Same
Yeah,
spot.
same position. This damage
Yep.
is not very important.
Yep.
So focus on
Just surviving.
Same.
Yep.
alive.
Just
Yep.
surviving.
You
We
got
wait for
this.
burst.
Up.
Up. Nice. We
Good
got
old
this. Focus
steering.
up.
Up.
Careful button on our left. Up.
TP.
Open.
Up.
Oh,
Up again.
Button. Up.
Up.
Hold on.
Up.
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 Up again.
Up.
Up.
TP. Nice.
Nice. Door cooldown 2 minutes.
Age is a hair low. I'm gonna bring it up a hair.
Up. Oh, I got
Oh, we
TP.
just went.
Fuck. 470.
Bring it back.
TP soon.
Let's do 3-minute burst, and we hold
Yeah.
for
45
3
seconds
minute-
on burst.
3-minute burst. Get this
Up.
Get this low, and then but don't kill dog.
TP.
The important thing is we don't kill dog in this burst.
Yep.
I got grabbed.
Up.
I'm taking over.
That's fine.
TP. 420 on yellow.
Use fountain.
Yeah, I'm
Yep.
just iframed because I'm
I'm
handed.
gonna raise it a little.
I'm
Oh
handed.
wait,
Chair.
I have curse.
Oh, okay.
Up.
Up.
TP. Fuck.
Fountain.
490. Okay, that's good. Burst in 5.
Person 5.
Up.
Up
Are we-
again.
Oh, I got caught.
Watch the hand.
Don't kill dog. Watch your damage here,
It probably won't die.
just in case. B.
I'm origining.
Oh no. Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
That's okay.
Wait, it's my. It's
It's
my.
fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're good. You're good.
Up.
Telly.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
wait.
490, 250 willpower is good.
Stay here. Where's fountain? He's on
Up.
cooldown.
Watch the buttons in this zone right now, because Kaling is not listening to me.
Up.
Telly.
TP.
Oh.
Oh, that's not bad. 490. Okay, that's okay.
Up.
And by the time our burst comes
TP,
back,
TP.
Up again.
Alright, we're out next burst.
Yep.
Up.
Telly.
TP. Oh, what? That's shimmy.
Yellow's 40.
440. That's
40
okay.
is fine.
That's
Yeah.
fine.
Keep looking at it from time to time.
Sorry, I
Oh.
can't do anything about that.
TP.
She hit you guys.
Up.
Might be too close to dog.
Yeah, we can we can scooch left a bit,
Careful of the button.
but don't scooch too far. Like that. That's okay. That's as far left as we can scooch.
Fountain when you can.
You can use the
Thank
little
you.
chalices too. They're the same thing.
I'm gonna step left.
Oh,
for
yeah.
one.
Up. 390.
440.
40.
Care button.
That's okay. I think we have like 5 deaths. Up.
Yeah.
Maybe 4.
Yeah, we have
TP,
four
TP,
left.
TP.
Oh, I guess
46
three
seconds.
left.
45 seconds. We're out in 45.
I need
Up,
a
up,
little
up.
bit more. Up.
Sure.
I
Yeah, just let us
think we
know.
have mine.
TP, TP.
Up.
Oh, I got caught.
540. I think. that's fine.
4.6% on dog.
Up.
Watch that button at our back.
Yeah.
It's primed.
TP, TP. 3.5.
Enough burst timer.
Up.
What the
20?
25.
20.
fuck you, Kaling?
25. Okay.
Oh, I have.
Oh, you have bump.
Yeah, I'm on the left. I'm on the left right now.
540.
Up.
590. 590.
I died. Damn.
That's okay.
Just stay dead.
I'll just stay dead.
Don't you
Wait,
count his
wait.
body? Six,
Yeah,
six,
you count him.
No,
Coming
stop.
back,
Coming back.
come
Yeah.
back.
Yeah.
Stop doing damage if you can. You don't need to
1.4.
attack anymore.
1.4. 1.4.
One-handed.
1.3.
One-handed.
We
I'm gonna go chill right.
690. 690. 690.
Yeah, I'm gonna chill right.
Up. Burst is ready.
Yeah.
Go
Yeah,
for
our
it.
book's ready.
Okay, let's do it.
Primed up. Okay. First,
So-
yeah.
Full send. Full send.
Origin.
Okay, just Kaling left.
Yep. Let's go. Whacker.
Let's
Unbound.
fucking
Unbound.
go.
Unbound.
Let's go!
Easy.
Good job, guys.
Nice.
That was
Easy.
clean. Super
Summons, if you have
clean.
any.
Yeah.
Shit, guys.
Dude.
Alright, click
Oh,
off
click your
stuff,
summons.
off
Click up
stuff.
summons. Yeah.
Oh, where's? Did I get my origin?
It's nice that this
Focus
boss
phase.
gives us an incredibly long time to click stuff off.
Oh, that's somebody.
That was mine.
That
was
might be
fine.
dark
It doesn't.
meta.
It doesn't do very. It doesn't do very many lines.
P3 is actually kind of easy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
P3, P1's the
Cheese
hard part.
strat. It's
A little therapeutic, I might say.
Yeah.
all of a sudden he thinks it's therapy. Oh my god.
Until the run.
Link for the thing, I guess.
Oh yeah, sure for grindstone.
Sure.
Oh, I went 1 inch to the left. Or to the right. Easy.
Oh,
Oh,
you guys
portal.
lost.
I see somebody to the right.
Gold.
Oh, what happened to Steph? Steph is all the way
gold.
over here. All right,
Alright.
Steph's. Anyone have drop in her?
Hold on.
I
I have
do.
14%. I'm 414, so
What are you, Derek?
20.
One.
Yeah.
Okay, go for it then.
Let me know when you're ready.
Oh, 1 second. I'm missing
Wait,
a
wait.
piece too.
Oh, we get Demon Cry too. This guy's technically 440.
Wait, what am I
Jeez.
missing? Oh, swap.
I'm
Okay,
missing
ready,
one
go for it.
piece. Wait.
Go.
Wait.
Yep.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Double
Yeah,
Demon
we're good, we're
Cry.
good.
what the?
Double
Yeah.
demon.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go. Let's
It doesn't
go.
work, it just misses again.
Oh, a box. A ring box.
I got a box
Hey.
too. Let's go.
Alright,
Oh, I got a
nice.
box too.
Wow,
Nice.
3 boxes. Kind of huge. I'm taking the XPs. Yoink.